Bamboo is one of the fastest growing natural resources on Earth.
Its strength, flexibility, and sustainability make it highly valuable.
Only mature bamboo is carefully harvested for industrial use. The raw bamboo is transported to processing factories. This is where raw bamboo begins its transformation.
Each bamboo pole is unloaded and inspected.
Damaged bamboo is removed to ensure quality. Bamboo is thoroughly washed to remove dirt and insects.
Powerful machines cut bamboo into precise lengths.
These strips will form the base of many products.
The soft inner layer is carefully removed. Uniform thickness ensures strength and durability.
Bamboo is treated to prevent pests and decay.
Controlled drying removes moisture from the bamboo. Moisture levels are carefully tested. Polishing creates a smooth, refined surface.
The strips are now ready for lamination.
Eco-friendly adhesive binds the layers together. High pressure turns bamboo into solid boards. Boards are cooled to stabilize their structure. Precision cutting creates exact dimensions. Advanced machines craft perfect designs. Sanding ensures a flawless finish.
Every piece is manually checked.
Bamboo can be shaped into many products.
Furniture is carefully assembled by skilled workers.
Bamboo is perfect for kitchen products.
It is also used for durable flooring. Branding adds identity and trust. Sharp edges are removed for safety. Only flawless products move forward. Each item is cleaned carefully.
Products are prepared for shipping.
Sustainable packaging protects the environment.
Labels provide product information. Packages are sealed securely.
Finished products are stored safely.
Orders are processed worldwide. Products are prepared for export. Bamboo products travel across the globe. Bamboo is renewable and eco-friendly. Strong, stylish, and sustainable.
Bamboo fits perfectly into modern living.
Natural beauty meets precision engineering.
Skilled hands make every product special. Efficiency and technology work together. Bamboo helps reduce deforestation.
The future is sustainable.
Ready to reach global markets.
One material, endless possibilities.
Another day of production completed. From nature to innovation.
Bamboo symbolizes strength and balance.
Crafted to perfection. Designed with nature in mind. Quality you can trust. Choose bamboo. Choose sustainability.
Thanks for watching.